Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and today I am sharing one of the best nursery where you can get everything in one stop. First, I am starting with marigold. These are Inca marigold, and here you can see it poinsettia and celosia and kalancho. These are kalancho, and here you can get dog flower or antirana poinsettia also. Best variety of flower plants you can get in street nursery. These are zinnia. Zinnia are also very nice. And if you want chrysanthemum in ready plant, you can get it here also. That too in very reasonable price. Here you can see poinsettia. And if you want seedling or sapling, you can get these pansy, dianthus, hollyhock, marigold, petunia, and this is impatiens. All you can get in very reasonable price and best variety. And every day in a week open, you can get some plastic pots also, hanging pots for your balcony. And here this is Street Nursery and Diamond Harbour Road in Behala, Manton, and you can see lots of people every day visit here, and this is open 27 days a week, and that too is from early in the morning 7 o'clock up to evening in the 7 o'clock. You can get it the plants, and here 4 to 5 nurseries are here, and you can bargain here properly for your flowering plants and foliage plants. You can see the stock of foliage plants also. If you want some cactus, succulents, that also you can get here. Here echeveria, you can see some moon cactus. These are moon cactus you can see, and echeveria, very best quality, and jet plant also available here, and all kinds of foliage plants, that too in aglaonema or some plants. And you can see these are the seller of this nursery. This is Behala, Manton, Sukumar Nursery, French marigold, and different types of Inca, Maya, and all types of marigolds you can get here. Roses, they are selling roses at 100 rupees, and more than 100 varieties of roses you can get here. Dianthus, they are selling at rupees 50 rupees, 5-inch pot, 50 rupees. Dianthus, you can get lots of flower plant also. The cosmos, they are selling rupees 50 each, and pots and ceramic pots are available. Excellent variety of, and you can see some deer and staghorn, elephants, some different types of crocodiles, and some these kinds of different designs and different shapes, cats also, all kinds of shape. Excellent quality of ceramic plants you can get here. You must visit here for ceramic plants. And also if you want, you can get plastic pots also, plastic containers also available here, and all kinds of plastic trays, plastic pots, all sizes are available, so you can buy here. So this is basically a one-stop nursery shop near Behala, and I will show you other things also available. If you want lots of foliage plants, Dieffenbachia, some of the palms, and all kinds of Christmas tree, aglaonema, and spider plants also available, and different types of air purifying plants available. This is a 4 feet tall Christmas tree. They are selling around 250 rupees each. So this is also excellent. So you can be amazed to see the stock and varieties of the plants in the nursery. And for growing the plants, you need fertilizer also, manures also. All kinds of manures and fertilizers are available. If you want some this loam soil also available, vermicompost, cow dung compost, and some mixture fertilizer, bone meal, leather meal, stera meal. This is a bone meal, and here you can see horn meal, cocoa peat also available. Cocoa peat, horn meal, bone meal, leather meal, stera meal, some all kinds of organic. And here you can see pots of this here, and this is the signboard of Behala Sukumar Nursery, and all kinds of hanging baskets also available. If you want some of this bonsai pot, these are available here also. So you see the petunia are the best for growing this season. All kinds of petunia available in 5-inch pot. They are selling around 50 rupees each petunia, and some white marigold also available here. White marigold, orange marigold, yellow marigold, golden marigold, all types of French marigolds, all kinds of plants, ready plants and saplings, seedlings available here. You can visit here on the early in the morning from 7 o'clock up to evening 7 o'clock, and you can see the state oil lucky bamboo and gladulous bulbs are also available here. Spider plants, all kinds of aglaonema you can get here. So I'll give you the description, the details here. You can visit here in any time. Here, just pranam to them, and here you can see the seedling here. So all kinds of vegetable plants also available here. So this is the nursery, and you can visit here in any day. Roadside Nursery, just opposite to Tanisqe showroom. This is Tanisqe showroom and just beside the Narayana hospital. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please